Hey guys, hope you're keeping safe and well. So still in lockdown in the UK, and in fact lockdown worldwide pretty much at the moment. So unfortunately we can't get to the boat and do any more work on the project. But I'd still like to bring you some content and keep the YouTube channel going as much as we can. So I thought what I would do is show you the Fastmount product. So for those of you who are not familiar with Fastmount, they offer a range of clips, like these little plastic clips that can be used to fasten pretty much anything. So wooden panels, vinyl panels, so really useful on a boat. And in fact I've seen some of the larger manufacturers such as Sunseeker, I've seen them use these Fastmount clips. So we bought an introductory or a trial pack, so I thought I'd show you what's in the pack and how we might be able to use this on the boat. Okay, so let's have a quick look in the box. So we've got some surface mount female clips, some side mount female clips, we've got some surface male clips, so these can be glued onto your panel if you don't want to drill it or if it's too thin, and then we've got the self-tapping females and also the male clips. So they actually come in two different colours. So we've got the white, which is a 5 kilo pull out strength, and we've got the black, which is a 10 kilo pull out strength, so that's 10 kilos per clip. And then we've also got the centerpieces here. So these basically, these go inside the female, so you mount the female first, and then you can see these, and then they've got a center point on them there, so you pop those in the females and then that marks your panel. So we'll be using those, they're really handy. Operating instructions obviously, and then we have the little drill set that comes with it. So these are the different drills that you need for drilling the male and female parts, and then these here are the drivers for that sets the female, that screws the female in, and that screws the male clip in. And then you also have a panel removal tool as well. So what we're going to do is get a little test panel. So I've got some wood which I'm going to use just here. So I've got some timber here. I'm going to set this up. This is just a piece of 18mm chipboard, and then we're going to try and mount some panels on this. I haven't got, normally, I mean, if this would be your bulkhead, the equivalent of a bulkhead maybe in your boat, so if you've got ply bulkheads or something like that, this would be your bulkhead, and this could be vertical or it could be horizontal, whichever orientation, and then you'll want to fit your panel, your vinyl panel or your wood panel to it. So first of all, what we'll do is we'll make a small vinyl panel I've just got a scrap piece of PVC here, so this is PVC foam board. So this is quite weather resistant, so again this is quite a nice material to use on a boat, and it's really lightweight and relatively inexpensive. So what I'm going to do is make a little vinyl panel from this, from a scrap piece of vinyl that I've got. So we'll do that first of all, and then we'll mount the 15mm lightweight ply as well. So let's go and make this panel. Okay, so we've got our vinyl panel ready to go, and we've got our 15mm ply. We've spoke about this on a previous video. I think we're hoping to use this in a boat. Lightweight 15mm, available in lots of different colours and wood grain finishes. So, and it's used quite extensively in boat building. So that's a really interesting material that we are hoping to utilise. So first job is to get the female set inside our mounting surface. So first thing we do is we come in with this drill here, and then we follow up with this drill here, and then we can use they supply a special hexagonal tool which we can use, and that actually pops inside there, and then we can use a drill to actually drive that in. So that's the first part, and then next what we'll do is once that's mounted in our mounting surface, we'll then come in and pop the centerpiece in like so, and then we will be able to press down with our panel, and that will give us a mark on the back of the panel, and then that mark we can use this drill which comes with the kit again, and this goes to just the right depth that you need for the male clip. So you can see here the depth of that's probably about 5mm, so ideal for a PVC or 5mm ply panel that you might be mounting in a boat, vinyl panel or any other type of panel. So, and all of these bits come in this kit. In fact, I'll put a link to the Fastmount kit in the description below. We're not sponsored, we have bought this, but it looks like an interesting product, and I've used it before on a bed head. Actually, I made my own bed and used this technique on the bed head, and it's been really good. Really pleased with it. So let's get this female set inside this board, and then we can get these panels mounted. Okay, so we've managed to fix these panels onto our test piece of wood. So we've got the 50mm ply, and we've used a 5kg clip to fix that one, and then we've got the vinyl pad, and we've used a 10kg pad to fix that one. So let's try and pull the 5kg off first of all. So it does take a fair bit of force to get that off, and I can imagine if you've got a few of those, that would hold that panel on really well. This is a 10kg one, and to be honest, I've already had this off, and it was quite a struggle to get this one off. So wow, that's really on. If you've got several of those clips holding that panel on, that would be really secure. So I suspect that's ideal for ceiling panels, and obviously with this PVC board as well, if you've got an outdoor vinyl, this would be all right on an area of the boat that was maybe on the outside or the cockpit or around the dashboard, something like that. So let's try and push that back in. Wow, that takes some pushing down, but that is really secure. That's just not coming off very easily. So there you go, Fastmount. Really impressive product actually, and I think we will definitely be using that on the boat. So any questions, pop them in the comments below. If you enjoyed the video, give us a thumbs up, and we'll see you on the next one. Take care guys, stay safe.